Guys, sometimes you get a great app idea, but stop because coding feels way too complicated. Well, what if I told you that today you don't need to write a single line of code to take your idea all the way to the App Store? I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. In this video, we are diving into OnSpace, an AI-powered no-code platform that promises to turn from idea to profit and from concept to live app in 24 hours. So stick around, because by the end, you'll know whether OnSpace really delivers on that promise. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Alright guys, let's check out OnSpace, a platform that lets you build mobile apps with AI. All you have to do is chat with the intelligent assistant, and you can create and edit your app, connect it to a database like Supabase, add features like login or payments, and even publish it straight to the App Store. Right on the homepage, OnSpace promises to take you from idea to profit and from concept to a working app in just 24 hours. It's a no-code platform that uses conversational artificial intelligence to build fully native mobile apps. So let's go ahead and create a new project, folks. I'll describe what I want. In this case, a personal budget tracking app called Budget Master. It'll let users track income and expenses, set savings goals, organize expenses into categories, and see their monthly budget. If we already have a design in Figma, we can import it directly too. Projects can be public or private, and we can connect them to a database. Let's start generating, guys. Now I'll turn on the Spaces feature. This is new. It basically removes the headache of managing the backend. It's a built-in OnSpace service that gives you a full serverless infrastructure instantly, without any of the usual setup issues you'd have with something like Supabase. I'll hit Generate, and now it's already creating the key design elements and project files. And just a few minutes later, here's our result, folks. A complete project with all the basic files ready to go. Alright, let's test out the app itself. We've got a plus button, and when we click it, at first we just see a blank white screen. But no worries, we turn on the runtime scanner, and in real time it shows us what's going on inside the app. Right away it finds two errors, guys. With one click on Fix All, the OnSpace agent patches everything up automatically. And now the plus button works perfectly. So we'll leave the runtime scanner running to keep monitoring the app. Let's give it a proper test, folks. I'll hit the plus button again. And now we can see all the categories we set up earlier. Let's add a sample income transaction. Say $1,000 with the description salary. I'll pick the salary category, hit save, and now the balance updates to 1,000 with income showing up correctly. We can also add expenses, folks. For example, let's put in $10 for food. I'll choose the food category, save it, and now we can see the expense added. The transaction section shows all incomes and expenses, and there's also an analytics tab. Here we can see a monthly overview with total income, total expenses, category breakdowns, and useful insights. Guys, there's also a settings tab where we can set a monthly budget, add spending limits, manage categories, and check the app version, privacy policy, or terms of service. Plus, there are handy quick actions like adding a transaction or jumping straight to analytics. Now let's take it a step further and make some improvements. For example, we can add a sign-up and login feature with email and password, using email verification codes to handle authentication. And folks, we can see the system analyzing our request, updating the files, and rolling out a fresh version of the app. Now it starts us off with a login screen. Since we don't have an account yet, let's go ahead and create one. I tap Create Account, and the verification code gets sent to the email we use for registration. I grab the code from my inbox, type it in, and now we're inside the account. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! On the Dashboard tab, we can see all the users registered in the app. This dashboard basically works as the backend powered by Spaces, where user info and other app-related data can be stored. We can also play around with the app's design just by writing a prompt. For example, I set it to give all pages a YouTube-style UX with matching colors. After sending the request, we wait a moment, and here's the result. The whole app now has YouTube's signature dark theme across every page. And that took less than 2 minutes, folks. Let's push it further and try switching everything to a full-on cyberpunk style. We send in the prompt, wait a bit, and now the cyberpunk version is ready. You can see the fonts really match that futuristic vibe, and every page has been reworked into that bold cyberpunk look. I also tweaked the colors. And again, it only takes about 2 minutes for the new version to roll out. And here it is, guys. Exactly what we asked for, with every page in the same consistent style. Now let's try switching it to a nature-related look and add a light and dark mode toggle to the interface. And I have to say, the result is pretty neat. The system gave the whole income and expense flow a playful natural theme. Every page is redesigned with this lightweight look, and the toggle for light and dark mode works just as we asked. So yeah, folks, you can experiment with all kinds of styles. And the best part is it only takes a few minutes to completely transform the app. And here's something cool. Once your app is ready, OnSpace makes it super easy to publish it. You can download the full project code, the APK file for Android, or the AAB file if you're uploading to Google Play. And if you're targeting iPhone users, the Publish feature lets you push your app straight to the App Store, all in just a few clicks. And that's it, guys. We just went from an idea all the way to a working mobile app, tested it, hooked it up to a database, added features like exports, and even saw how easy it is to publish straight to the App Store, all without writing a single line of code. What I like about OnSpace is that it's not just a tool, it's a whole learning ecosystem. They've got practical tutorials that walk you through building custom features, and their YouTube channel is regularly updated with new videos to keep you moving forward. Plus, if you ever get stuck, their customer support is actually solid. AI help is available 24/7, and you can count on a real human response within one business day. And if you want some extra credits to build your app on OnSpace, I've got you covered. My followers get an extra 1000 credits. Just grab the code below and paste it on the site. Honestly, I think it's a game changer if you've ever had an app idea but didn't know where to start. The AI handles the heavy lifting, and you just guide it with your ideas. I'd love to hear from you. What kind of app would you build if you tried OnSpace? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.